potentiality of the children, and therefore he has started the school in Dondaicha so that all the children, especially for those who are deprived from the education, those children are not good. His vision was very broad. On the same vision, our school is running now. Our present chairman sir also having the same vision. There is no compromise in the quality education. So whoever children admits in the school, so we give them in the quality education. While celebrating the birth anniversary of like Papaji, so let us strive for his excellence, whatever we do it. Thank you.
Slightest recognition work as a great motivation for the student and encourages them to work even more harder. These awards will be conferred class-wise. For Students of the Year, Best Scout and Best Guide, Super Sports Girl, Super Sports Boy, certain parameters have been considered by school. Overall discipline of the student throughout the year, rules and regulation followed by student, participation at school level, district level, state level, national level camps, or if he or she has any special achievement in camps, qualifying awardee has to cross many barriers. Sponsorship for these awards is given by KS Group Dondaicha and from their beloved family members and loving daughters. So let us begin this wonderful event with a warm round of applause for each and every awardee who gave their best this year. Let us move ahead to the next part of our program. I would like to request Mr. Prem Kumar Kodi to take charge of next event.
Ceremony 3rd to 5th section, I would like to call Miss Patil Purvi Varsha Shakarjan to him. She got a special award in EVS subject. I request subject top class. Scout class go.
We are having more than 250 of
Hindi subject. Javre sir, please come on the stage. Shash Sagarjan. Best and next of the Varsha Sagarjan.
Last year also I have added this statement for Purvi. She is the top scorer, but she is always present in the. Plus उसकी writing इतनी beautiful है. अगर आप उसका notebook देखोगे, तो it will feel जैसे हमने कोई book की print निकाली है. इतनी neat, clean, perfect book होती है उसकी. Give a huge round of applause to her.
Class topper award Patil Mohit Sunanda Manohar. Next English award Mali Srushti Anita Claire. Computer subject award Master Handekar Mohit Suvarna Jagdish. Manisha Nitin. Manoj Singh. Attendance award Mali Vanshika Sonali Kishore. Kanaya Lal.
Thank you, Bhabiji. Now further I request respect.
Viraj, Rekha, Suresh. Chavan, Asmita, Ashwini, Sai. Next, English subject award, Master Ramole Parth. Next, Math subject award, Ishi Nandini Sangeeta Ganesh. Gavit Tanmay Sunita Philip. Marathi subject award, Gavit Viraj Maratha Princy Naja Jaswant.
Thank you, sir. Now here I request our principal.
Vaishali Rahul. SST subject award, Bagad Push. Next, Marathi subject award, Geeta Praveen. Subject award, Harde Darshina Sangeeta. Next, SST subject award, Girase Shruti. Next, Scout Club Gold. Next, Pratap.
Put your hands together and welcome them. Give a huge round of applause. ब्राह्मण जगताप नेहा, मैं मम्मी जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि
Marathi subject award, Rasna Prem. Clap, everyone clap.
बेटा समोर बघ. सर
Next, Marathi subject award, Master Pawar. Next, SST subject. Next, Hindi subject award, Girase Jivika C. Next, highest attendance of
thank you. Few words, come forward.
With such as honor and this special award, I feel emotional and I am at a loss for words. This is my special moment of my life. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Chief guest, principal sir, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today is a very special day for me. I feel truly happy and proud to stand here and receive this award. This award is not just mine alone. I want to thank my teachers
अभी कैसे जाता है
First and second. First of all, I will call first Mango Division. I request to respected Sugandha Bhabi ji, please come forward and felicitate him. Udas. गिरा से रिशिता भावना. नेक्स्ट ईवीएस सब्जेक्ट अवार्ड
का नाम अनाउंस होता है, तुरंत स्टेज की ओर आइए।
आई वुड बेटा अपने दोस्तों को कोई अवार्ड मिल रहा है तो जीके सब्जेक्ट अवार्ड गोस। थैंक यू रिस्पेक्टेड भाभी जी। नाउ आई रिक्वेस्टेड टू रिस्पेक्ट
सर
सब्जेक्ट अवार्ड गोस टू गिराज से नव्या शीतल जयपाल सिंह, मनीष माया बालकृष्ण, गोस टू मिस वाघ युतिका अनिता महेंद्र। जीके सब्जेक्ट मुकेश। रिक्वेस्ट टू रिस्पेक्टेड गाड़ेकर मैम।
सामने देखो।
नेक्स्ट मराठी सब्जेक्ट अवार्ड गोज टू गिरासे जय पूनम दीपक सिंह। अश्विनी नारायण। रिस्पेक्टेड सुषमा भाभी जी। पावरा निधि गुड्डी जेके। चाली संदीपा अरुण।
उनके पास तो देगा
मैम टू कम फॉरवर्ड इन स्टेज एंड फेलिसिटेड इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट अवार्ड गोज टू मास्टर सालू के शौर्य मंजूषा विनकर। तो कुछ बधाई तो दो, तालियों से बधाई दे सकते हो आप अपने दोस्तों को। इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट अवार्ड गोज टू मिस पवार हिमांशी पवित्रा जगदीश। अवार्ड गोज टू मास्टर पाटिल आयुष प्रियंका नितिन। मास्टर जाधव भाविन विजया सुरेंद्र। लक्षित कविता प्रवीण। सुरेश। Thank you, respected. Respected Kaki ji, here I requested respected principal. Hindi subject award goes to Master Paura Rohan Menika Ashok. Thank you, respected sir.
जो टीचर और प्रिंसिपल को मेरा थैंक यू। मैं ऐसी ही प्रगति करूंगा और अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन करूंगा। सर्टिफिकेट और अवार्ड के लिए मैं अपने स्कूल को थैंक यू कहता हूँ। थैंक यू।
मैडम
Students and class teacher and subject teachers, get down. All the students of the 6th, 7th and 8th standard.
जय आफ्टर गेटिंग अवार्ड आपको जो छाव है वहाँ का कॉर्नर से बैठने का है, उसके पीछे एक एक सर्टिफिकेट और मेडल आपके साथ में रहेंगे। यस
All Sheetal Patil ma'am.
मैडम
And Prem Kumar Kohli sir. Mohini Dhomre ma'am.
Excellence in various subjects, dedication to attendance and talents in sports and scouting. So without any further delay, let's begin honoring these young achievers. Peda Class Topper Award for overall performance of academics, sponsored by CA Mr. Rajan Hiralalji Jain, Delhi, and the proud winner is Master Ron Singh Dipali Jitendra Singh Girase.
बेटा सामने देखो, सामने ये बेटा सामने देखो।
Bari. If the parent is present, please come forward. Romabai Sandeep Vadvi. Award goes to Miss Sachi Pragya Sunil from 6 Mahabaleshwar. The Excellence Award in Marathi. Excellence Award in Hindi. Excellence Award in Excellence Award in Hindi. Bhave Jyoti Gorakh More Bahul. Goes to Miss Disha Bina Rajan Girase. Now I will Umesh Boy. Excellence Award in GK goes to Miss Vidya Sunanda Nanpau Gaikwad. Yadav class. First class topper award goes to parents present. Please come forward. Excellence Award in Hindi goes to Miss Kirti Jadhav. Now 6.
सर
Excellence Award in Science goes to Excellence Award in Computer goes Studies goes to Master Piyush in Hindi goes to Master Chhatrapal Aishwara Mahendra. 8 Kalpana Chawla, the Rajendra Girase. Maths goes to Master Deep Pradnya Sunil. In Marathi goes to Deep Batu Sonavne. Now it's time to 8 Rakesh Sharma. Excellence Award in Maths goes to Master Sumit Sulochana. Social Studies goes to Master Shubham Jaya Deepak Pranav Sarika Arun Jadhav. Hetal Punam Bhushan Patil. Nana Bahumadi. Deep Asha Suresh Pardesi. Now it's time to the best scout, and the best scout award goes to Master. Super Sport Girls award goes to Miss. Now I would like to request
स्टूडेंट्स क्लैप करना है। वैष्णवी को 2 अवार्ड 2024 का परफॉर्म इन एकेडमिक अटेंडेंस, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में टॉप, और ओवरऑल जिसका बेस्ट परफॉर्म होगा उसे ही स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड मिलेगा।
Master Nachiket Madi. We all have been waiting for the big break.
एक्टिव, और उसके पिताजी फोर्स में हैं, उन्होंने सीआरपीएफ फोर्स में अभी ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं। जोरदार तालियां होगा इसके लिए। Confer the certificate and cash prize to the meritorious students. First, Excellence Award in English, sponsored by Honorable Dr. Vijayji Namjoshi sir, goes to Master Sanskar Chetna Bhushan Jain. Bhushan Kampas Astimalji Jain goes to Master Dinesh Lalita Bai Parvat Singh Girase, goes to Master Dharmesh Seema Sandeep Patil by CA Mahesh Ji Shantilalji Chajed Ahmedabad. Goes the students, those who are sitting in corridor, sit properly. Chandra Pawra. Attendance award goes to Miss Mayuri Bharati Devendra Rajput. Thank you, ma'am. Please have. Thank you, everyone. Excellent award in English goes to Master. Excellence Award in Social Science. Excellence Award in Science. Excellence Award in Marathi in loving memory of. Excellence Award in English, sponsored by Excellence have present here, come to the stage. Hussain Merchant. If Jamila or her parents are there, they can come. Yashashri Leena Sharar Pawar.
प्रिंसिपल सर
Thank you. In loving memory of Dada to Master Umesh Yogita Bhagwan Patil. Next, Excellence Awards in Competitive Exams in loving memory of Excellence Award Astimalji Jain goes to Master Award in Geography in loving memory of Dadaji late Sri Hastimalji Jain.
Actual this award which for this opportunity, actual this award I got, it goes to each and every member of my school because they shape my life and gives me that capacity to do something in my life. There is one proverbs, one single sheet of paper cannot be decide our future, but the honest efforts will decide your future. My school taught me a great lesson that do not chase the success, the honest efforts, success will chase you. Thank you.
Come forward and confer the certificate and cash prize to Student of the Year Award is presented in loving memory of late Sri Shantilalji Hastimalji Jain, proudly presented to Master Ritesh Neha Dinesh Kotawadi. Please clap. Thank you.
Teachers and my school. Today whatever I have achieved, this is all because of my school. My school is the best school in the vicinity. Thank you for giving this award.
Are requested to come on the stage. Poonam Dangar ma'am, Pratishtha Parmar ma'am, Vandana Patil ma'am, Surendra Khandare sir, Rekha Wagh ma'am, Saddam Sheikh sir, Kavita Paura ma'am, Vijay Khandekar sir, Kapil Sonavne sir and Bhaskar Madi sir. Kindly come on the stage this side. There they are standing before you. Each of these teachers are getting the award as the teacher of the month. And please give a big round of applause for Poonam ma'am. Here you can see the noise of the students confirms the popularity of the teacher in the next at सर हमेशा आपको नाच कर गाकर सिखाते हैं, आपने हमेशा देखा है उनको। कपिल सोनवने सर is the favorite maths teacher of all the students. Kavita Paura ma'am, if you are there, you are requested to come near stage.
Master Yog
Vishal sir, Prakash sir. Scout Guide performance in hard workers and students only knows them very well.
Thanks to Chairman of Hasti Group of School and Mrs. Sheetal Ji, Jain ma'am and Kothawade sir. Thank you very much.
Even today in public school, and almost 170 awards are given in world school. 70 awards. Dear students, this is just one of the way to
share your success, celebrate your success, and motivate you for further success in life. Each of you and your parents come in the school with a dream to achieve something good in your life, in your future life. And this is a foundation. A school is a foundational years where all kinds of knowledge, wisdom, and values are imparted. Many of you may not understand currently the importance of school years, but once you go to the college and in your professional life, then you will understand the cherished moments which you have had in the school. These are the moments to live with. And I am very proud that educators, teachers of our school are taking great efforts to mold all of you. To mold students is not an easy job because each of you comes from a different background, different age, different IQ, different EQ, and in each class when there are 40 students, none of you are unique. I mean, all of you are unique, none of you are same. So try to understand, here is a one teacher and who is teaching to different 40 minds. And to understand the capability of each mind, each brain is also difficult. But our teachers try very hard to teach in a way that knowledge and wisdoms are imparted to each of all of you. And I'm very happy that you are achieving success. Now almost 17 batches of our school has passed from 10th standard. And I see many students of our school has become a CA, doctor, architect, engineer, computer engineer, MBA. And I'm very happy they are achieving something in their life. And as I said, these are the foundationals here. Also, I am very happy that all of you worked very hard last year and you achieved success in different category. See, I believe each student can't come first in the class. But I believe that each student is first in something in one category. So it might be, he might be good in maths, he might be good in science, he might be good in language, he might be good in sports, drawing. There are a number of fields. Almost 500 types of career opportunities are there when you come in real world. And as I said, there are more than 500 career opportunities, so understand the importance. So it is not necessary that all of you should be very versatile in maths or science or English or language. You may be good at anything, but in the way you are good, in the field you are good, you should find that what is your liking and accordingly you should work on it. As I said, I am very happy that more than 450 awards are given today. And I am sure that it will motivate all of you. I also want to congratulate and appreciate Team Asti, all three principals, their coordinators, and the people who has worked very hard for this today's award ceremony. See, award ceremony is conducted in 1 or 2 hours, but behind these 2 hours, there are at least 10 to 15 working days when teachers have burned their midnight oil. If you see your certificate, you will find that each certificate is a printed one. Each certificate has your name and your photo. See, school could have done something simpler. Even I had told my team that print a standard certificate and write down the name in handwriting. and paste the photo. But they wanted something good, something unique. So they said, no sir, we'll print each certificate individually, we'll design each certificate individually. So try to understand, award category, they have to change the photograph. If there is a name of sponsor, now you do the maths. So I would like to congratulate all the team members who has worked very hard. Because see, apart from printing the certificate, they have to prepare the result also. And I am very happy that my team has done it. The more important thing was the date actually 10th August, but as the 10th was Sunday and 9th was a holiday, so we decided to prepone the award ceremony. So teacher had 3 more less days to conclude their work, but still they did it. And I am very happy for that. So in all, I would like to say very hard last year, and now this should act as a fuel for you to achieve more success. And I also want to congratulate the students who may not today got the award, but I am.
Thank you so much, Honorable Bhau, for guiding our students. Your inspiring words will definitely motivate our students to work hard and even better. May Almighty bless you with all the happiness in this world. I'd like to request all the students to please stand up.
She just said me, ये इतना सा कि सब बच्चों को पूरेगा नहीं. I request principal, we have almost 1.5 hours. Get the ice cream for each staff, and I said only staff. I didn't say students, but yes, students also.
Happy birthday to you, Salabami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Big hand clap. Many.
Standard 7 boys.